Hi kids! Today we're going to be learning about perimeter again, but this time we have to find the perimeter with one side missing. So pay very close attention to the examples that I show you. So let's start by doing a review of what we learned last time. Last time we talked about perimeter, and perimeter is the distance outside of a figure or a shape. Remember, it's the outside of it. So, for example, we have this rectangle here, and one side is 5, the other's 3, then 3 again, and 5 centimeters. We start by looking at one of the sides, which is 3. We add 5 to that, then plus 3 again, plus 5 again, because we are adding each side to find the perimeter. 3 plus 5 is 8, and 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16, and we see that our perimeter is 16 centimeters. Today, we're going to be looking at perimeter, and we're going to see what if there's a side that is missing? What if there's a side that there's no given number? So in this example here, we start by adding the ones we do know. 8 plus 8 plus 5. And we see that the 8 and the 8, it's the same length. So the side of the 5 is the same length as the other side as well. Therefore, we come to the conclusion that is 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 5, which makes 13 plus 13, and then 26 total. So the perimeter for this figure is 26 square units. On our second example, we see that the perimeter is given, and the perimeter says it's 50 centimeters. Then we see that each side says 10 centimeters, and there's that one side that we still don't know. So what we know already is that all sides are equal. Therefore, that missing side is going to be 10. We start by writing 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus the missing side. And we know that our perimeter is 50. So all of this has to equal 50. So far we know that 40 plus a missing side equals 50. And we know that 40 plus 10 equals 50. So that's how we find our missing side. Our missing side, is 10 centimeters. For our third example, we have this triangle here. We have two sides that we know and one side that we don't know yet. And our perimeter is already given. Our perimeter is 40 centimeters. We start by writing what we already know. 18 plus 10 plus our missing side equals 40 centimeters. We know that 18 plus 10 is 28 plus our missing side equals 40. Now we can do this two ways. First one is to count up from 28 to 40 to find that missing side. Or we can subtract 40, which is our total perimeter, minus 28, which is a combination of the two sides we already know. In this case, I am going to be subtracting 40 minus 28, and that shows us our answer, which is 12. So our missing side is going to be 12 centimeters. I'm checking my answer just to make sure it's correct. 28 plus 12 is in fact 40. So like I said, our missing side is 12 centimeters. For our third example, we have this figure here. And again, we're missing one side. We're finding the perimeter, which is all of the outside. And our perimeter is given, so it is 33 inches. We start by adding all of the other sides, 9 plus 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus question mark, which is what we don't know yet. We know that 6 plus 6 is 12. And then 9, we're going to add 9 and 8 to that. 12 plus 9 is 21, and 21 plus 8 is 29. Now we have to find out 29 plus question mark, which is 33. So in this example, I counted up from 29 to 33 to find my missing side. So we see that 29 plus 8 is 33. So our missing side is 8. Now we have to be very careful with the problem to see what in fact they're asking. Now it's your turn. Thank you so much for watching.